Hey guys, it's Cher, and today is just going to be a really quick video of me trying out the MILANI Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper. I've never tried any of the MILANI lip plumpers before, but I love lip plumping products. They're my thing, and they're my thing because I have really small lips, if you haven't already noticed that by now. So I picked this up the other day, and I was actually already in the middle of filming 2 other makeup videos where I'm trying out some other new products from different brands. And so I thought, well, this would be a really good quick video to film, see if I like this product, and to tell you guys about it. This is also one of MILANI's newest lip products in general. I found that out on the website, so that's kind of why I picked it up. I wanted to try it out while it was still fairly new. And also just because, like I said, I love lip plumpers. This is in the shade Rosewood. So if you want to watch me test this out, then let's get into it. This is the MILANI Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper in the shade 13, Rosewood. On the website, it says that this is statistically America's favorite lip plumper. That's a pretty bold claim. I mean, really, America's favorite lip plumper? All of America? I think I'll be the judge of that. It is a sheer, creamy, non-sticky formula and is infused with natural peptides to stimulate collagen and hyaluronic acid to fill and smooth lips over time. Features a lip maximizing applicator to deliver a silky, sheer finish in one swipe, and it's available in 16 shades. I really like this shade. It looks to be the perfect nude shade for my lip color. A lot of times I've noticed with lip products, shades that are supposedly supposed to be nude or just natural looking tend to make me look really sick and just like they're not flattering for me. I don't know if it's my skin tone or if it's just my undertones or if it's just the fact that my natural lips are a little bit darker than the average person's, I guess. A lot of nude lip products just don't work on me, so I'm always on the hunt for different shades that are nude for me. So my natural lip color is just a little bit darker of a pink, and it's hard for me to find shades that are flattering to that instead of just your typical beigey, creamy, nude lip colors. And I really feel like this does a good job of that. And it's really smooth and creamy texture-wise. It feels very nice on my lips. One thing I will say is that it is a little bit less glossy than what I would typically prefer from a lip gloss. My usual lip plumper that I use all the time is the Buxom Full-On Lip Plumping Polish. It's a similar color, except it is really glossy, and I kind of prefer that high shine, high gloss formula. Like, it definitely could be shinier and a little bit more glossy in my opinion, but the texture of it is really nice. And also the tingling sensation is not uncomfortable. I've had it on for a minute now, and it's just a slight tingle, like a slight cold sensation on your lips. I really like this. I'm really happy with this. I was nervous that it was not going to be exactly the right nude color because that was my goal when I bought this. And on the website, this is listed, the shade Rosewood is listed as just being a true shimmery pink or something like that. And so I thought it was going to come across as a little bit lighter instead of the dark color that it appears in the tube, but it seems to be a pretty good match, and it's very similar to what it looked like in the packaging. So yay, this was a success. And now I really want to try the rest of the shades in this product. Honestly, it makes me want to try some more makeup products from MILANI in general as a brand because I'm not very familiar with them. Maybe that will be a future video idea. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this really quick little makeup product review of the MILANI Keep It Full Nourishing Lip Plumper. I really like it, and I would totally recommend it if you are somebody who really likes lip plumping products or just a really nice creamy lip product in general that is more on the glossy side. I know this was a really quick video, but like I said, I was already filming a couple of other videos, and I just thought this was a really good time to go ahead and try this out since I just bought this. And I've never tried any MILANI lip products before, so here we are. As always, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell notification so you know when I upload new videos. Follow me on my social media accounts, which will be linked down below in the description box, as well as other makeup videos if you want to check any of those out. they'll be linked there too. Depending on which of the 3 videos that I filmed today goes up first, then they will all be linked to each other somehow. I filmed 2 other videos of my first thoughts on a couple other new makeup products. One of them was the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer, which is L'Oreal's newest concealer. And I also filmed my first impressions of the newest e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, the 18 Hit Wonders palette. And I also attempted an eyeshadow look with it, which is the one I'm wearing right now. So if you want to watch me do all that, then I will put those video links in the description box as soon as they are posted. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!